Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative of u square, and we have to u du. This one we have 3x square. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative number 1, so I will put negative number 1 gone here, and we can find the value of u, so u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1 does it from here, so I will put number 1 gone here, and we have u equals to the square root of number 2. So, because we don't have number 3, so we divide both sides by number 3. Negative number 1, we change by number 0. Number 1, we change by the square root of number 2. The square root, we change by u. S squared dx, we change by this one. So number 8 multiplied by number 2 over number 3, we have 16 over number 3. U and u, we have u square. So we have the formula in here. So the integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. So we put number 2 gone here, and we have 2 plus 1, we have number 3. And we put the bounds from 0 to the square root of number 2. So we calculate this one, and we have 32 with the square root of number 2 over number 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.